say something stupid. For now, I'm just gonna say it was a bad day to wear a white t-shirt because I'm sweating like balls.
I can see that as kids.
You know what? It could be worse.
You could be Callum wearing gray shirt.
Gray's pretty bad as well.
I'm melting. Yeah. Michael.
Everyone look at Callum! He's just...
Did you jump in a pool, man? That's the effort you put into the show.
Sometimes at the show we make up a stupid song about the place we're in, but sometimes, well, pretty much 50% of the time, it turns out to be extremely rude and half of you leave. But hopefully we get it right this time, okay? We're about to